You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I will be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right here, yesterday, I said I'm going to do a video on the Bitcoin hash rate in relation to the Bitcoin price and what price I've been doing in the past years using this very chart right here and also the hash rate at this very point. If you are new to this channel, Remit Trade, or you've not subscribed to the channel, please help subscribe to this channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other educational content. Don't forget to leave a like for this very video. The Bitcoin hash rate, you can simply put, is how much computing power that is being used by the Bitcoin network, and this help investors to know or evaluate how healthy and secure the cryptocurrency network is. We cannot do away with the Bitcoin hash rate. A high Bitcoin hash rate signify health for the Bitcoin network. And when the Bitcoin hash rate is coming down, it signifies the Bitcoin network is not performing very well. So that also means that once we see new highs on the Bitcoin hash rate at this very area, just like you can see a high here, we see another high here, high here, high here, and right now the Bitcoin hash rate is already at another all-time high at this very area. This also signifies that we have potential of creating another new high on the Bitcoin price. From September right here to October, market move right up, creates a new all-time high. This was $19,000 approximately, and on the Bitcoin hash rate from this area, we've seen at this very point, this was September and October 2017, all through to 218 around this area, all-time high to 218. But if you look at this very price at this very area, December and January 218, market begin to drop right down on the Bitcoin price. As we begin to create new all-time high on the Bitcoin hash rate, it means it has potential for the Bitcoin price to also create new all-time high. Now, if you look at this very area, this was March 2020, and if you look at this very area, this was October 2020, and from this October 2020, market begin to ride back up. And if you look at the Bitcoin hash rate from this very level of 219 January, we begin to see the market move up, creating new all-time highs. And at this very point of October 2020, from this area, we see a drop down on the Bitcoin hash rate. And if you look at this very area on this very point, this was October 2020, we see the market begin to ride back up again and create another all-time high. This was around $61,000 approximately, higher than the previous high at this very area. And then from this level, market begin to crash back down on the Bitcoin price. So at this very area on the Bitcoin hash rate, we've seen the market from this very level, this is November 2020, market will go right up to create another high. And from this very area, this was April and May 2021, we see this drop down on the Bitcoin hash rate. And at this very area from this level, this was April and May 2021, market drop right down as well on the Bitcoin price. So from June and July at this very area, we've seen the market move up again to create another new all-time high. And on the Bitcoin hash rate right here from this level, this was June, July, market begin to move back right up on the Bitcoin hash rate, creating all-time high at this very area. And right now, the market is at its peak on the Bitcoin hash rate. But if you look at the Bitcoin price at this very area, you see that the market from this very level of November 2021, market has been down up to this very level of support. And for the fact that we are seeing higher highs on the Bitcoin hash rate at this very area, this is very important for all of us as traders, especially for those newbies out there. If you're just new to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is not dead and it can never be dead. As far as we keep seeing new highs on the Bitcoin hash rate, we will continue to see the market on Bitcoin right here move back up again to create all-time highs. And the possibility of all-time high is very high at this very area, because when Bitcoin is going to move after this very bearish market, it's going to create an all-time high that is higher than the previous high, come back slightly to the downside and move straight up. The question is, when will it happen? Nobody knows, but this is definitely what is going to happen on the Bitcoin price as we begin to see higher highs on the Bitcoin hash rate. So this is very important for all of us as traders, and also for the beginners out there. You have to pay attention to the Bitcoin hash rate rate right here in relation to what you are seeing on the Bitcoin price. I believe you gained something from this very video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also check the channel for other educational content. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.